Let's take a look at the phrases which are commonly used to talk about routines. All these sentences are applied in your daily life. Now you can tell people what you do every day. I wake up at 9:30. I wake up at 9:30. I get up around 9. I get up around 9. I set the alarm clock. I set the alarm clock. My alarm goes off at 5. My alarm goes off at 5. I press the snooze button. I press the snooze button. I drink a cup of milk. I drink a cup of milk. I get dressed. I get dressed. I get home. I get home. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I take off my makeup. I take off my makeup. I turn off the radio. I turn off the radio. I take a nap after lunch. I take a nap after lunch. I take a shower. I take a shower. I take the bus. I take the bus. I take my medication. I take my medication. I take out the trash after dinner. I take out the trash after dinner. I go to work. I go to work. I go to school. I go to school. I go to bed. I go to bed. I go home. I go home. I drink tea. I drink tea. I iron my clothes. I iron my clothes. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I check my emails. I check my emails. I answer my emails. I answer my emails. I make my bed. I make my bed. I walk my dog. I walk my dog. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I do my chores. I do my chores. I do the dishes. I do the dishes. I make lunch. I make lunch. I work from home. I work from home. I put the dishes away. I put the dishes away. I wait for the cab. I wait for the cab. I put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. I put on the TV. I put on the TV. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I put my phone away. I put my phone away. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I walk to work. I walk to work. I meditate. I meditate. I listen to music. I listen to music. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I feed my dog. I feed my dog. I lock the doors. I lock the doors. I vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. I tidy up my room. I tidy up my room. I buy groceries after work. I buy groceries after work. I clean up the house. I clean up the house. I catch the bus at 7. I catch the bus at 7. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I make my bed. I make my bed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get in bed. I get in bed. I cook my breakfast. I cook my breakfast. I change my clothes. I change my clothes.